Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll just be showing you guys how to wrap your Titus fish. Is it yeah, it's Titus fish, but I think they normally call it a mackerel, something like that. I don't know, but I shall know that it's Titus. See how I'm taking that thing out of the body, because normally this is how I wash my fish. Okay, before I did two methods. There is one that you don't run, like you don't fold. That one I use ingredients, I put a lot of ingredients in that one. But this particular one, I'm not using any ingredients. Okay, I'm just doing it like the African way, like how we normally do it back then in Nigeria, you get. So this is me just taking all these things out. Okay, so if you are just coming across my page for the very first time, do not forget to like our video and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So after I must have taken everything, I'll just make sure that I wash this thing properly. So that is my toothpick. I'll be using toothpick for this. If you remove, if you notice that this thing is so flexible, because you remove the intestine, I don't know if you understand, it will be so flexible, because I've tried it. Like, I just, okay, let me just want to try it if it will be flexible. It's not flexible at all if you didn't take out all those dirty inside, like the intestine, that place. So it will not be easy to fold. It's very hard. So I think this is just the best method. Make sure you are taking, like, I can't even eat that thing with the intestine and all those things. So this is me just using my toothpick to hold it tight, like to hold it really tight. There's one other stick that you can also use, but this is what I have, like this is what is available. As you can see, I used three or toothpick to hold it down. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Even when I'm still doing this thing, the blood is still coming out and all those things, but you just shall see how this thing turns out. I'll still be cleaning it, like washing it again. Do you get? So this is me just trying to show you guys for the third time. You put the tail inside the mouth, then you just use your toothpick to hold it through the mouth, through like both sides. You see how I'm holding it both sides like this. This actually do not take long time to achieve. Okay, I think Obi, my husband, actually love dry fish. So if we have like a lot of fish at home, like we have carton of fish, I usually dry them. Sometimes I'll just dry like 5, 10 pieces and all that, you get. So this is me just arranging it inside the oven. Like now, the summer is here, so the fly is everywhere. Now that I'm doing this fish, now they are just around me, going with me. Do you get? So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So this is what it looks like it's ready. So beautiful, without putting no ingredients, like unlike the ones that I've already tried before. Those ones I normally use ingredients to rub it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.